Hey guys, today I have my June empties. I don't have as many empties this month. Cade has stopped doing his skincare, so we're not going through products as fast, but we've still got a few products in here. So the first thing that we have is, this was from Wickety Whack. We recently got a TK Maxx in Hobart, which I've never had one before, so it was really exciting, and I picked this up from there. $9 for this scrub. This was a Candy Heart scrub, and I actually really liked this. I thought it was really nice. It was the first ever product that I've tried from Wickety Whack. It smelled really, really good. Cade really loved this one as well. And yeah, I was really surprised. I really want to try out more of their products, but I'm on a no buy at the moment because we are saving. So when I get some, when I'm not on such a strict budget, I definitely want to try out some things from them. I used up the Snow Cake Shower Jelly stack. I really like this one as well. Cade and I love the shower jellies. We have a lot of fun with them. Yeah, I probably wouldn't repurchase this specific one because it did have a cherry one in it, which wasn't too bad, but personally I don't like cherry. But yeah, it had 3 flavours. It had marzipan, toffee and cherry. I think this was from like a Christmas collection or something, but yeah. We also used up a Santa's Belly shower jelly. This is another one from like a Christmas collection. I love this one so much. The scent of it is really nice. Used up a Lord of Misrule shower gel, which is one of my all-time favourites from Lush. I love this scent so much. It smells super earthy, but I feel like it's weird because I love this scent so much, but I understand that other people might not because it smells kind of like earth. So sometimes I feel bad showering in it because I'm like, are other people going to smell me and think that I rolled in dirt? Do you know what I mean? But I still love it, so. We used up the Beauty Sleep Face on Body Mask. This was really expired because I was really slack with my skincare and body care and stuff, but I'm getting really into it now. So I do unfortunately have a few products that are expired. So I just ended up using this on my body because I didn't want to use it on my face, and it was really nice. I really want to try this again and like actually use it on my face this time. It smells incredible. Love it. But yeah, it felt nice on the skin, but as for on the body, I can't really, what do you say, like, I can't really tell you how it worked because I didn't use it on my body. I mean, on my skin, on my face. You know what I'm saying. Used up a Joy lash glue. This is my all-time favourite lash glue. Got another tube of it. I've always got backups. So these take forever to use up, but we used it up and yeah. Also used up the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which took me forever. I've had this for so long. I love it. It's one of my all-time favourite setting powders, and I've already got my backup in here. This one is a limited edition like packaging that they sent me in PR for like Christmas, I think it was, a couple of years ago. So I'm already set. I've already got one. Yeah, that was all of my empties for this month. Obviously a lot less products were used this month, so I'm sorry that this video is a little bit of a shorter one. I hope you guys still enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.